Oh, this dog having his morning walk. Whew. Hello everyone, good morning again to this morning walk. At this very moment I am here at this football ground here at Fire Brigade, and I could see that so many players are here, so I would like to get some of them speaking with me. Let's go. Good morning, bro.
Good morning. Good morning.
Is this your morning routine?
Yes, my morning routine is to come here every day.
Oh,
6.
okay, great. At what time do you usually get up?
Get up 5:30, then I'll come here by 6.
Oh, thank you for having you this morning.
Yes, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning.
At what time do you usually get up in the morning?
5:30.
5:30. Very great. Is this your morning routine?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Is this your morning routine?
Yes, every day.
At what time you usually get up in the morning?
4.
4.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Where are you from?
From Zambia.
From Jaintia. At what time do you usually get up in the morning?
At around 5:30 like that.
Oh, great. Is this your morning routine?
Yes.
Hi guys, good morning. Is this your morning routine? At what time do you usually get up in the morning?
5:30.
Do you have any purpose for getting up early?
Yeah, because we have NCC, so we have.
Oh, great. Hi bro, good morning. At what time do you usually get up in the morning? 5? Oh, great. Is this your morning routine?
Yeah, sometimes like this.
Where are you from?
Northern.
Hey, good morning. At what time do you get up in the morning?
5.
5? Great. Is this your morning routine?
Yes.
Hi, good morning.
Kerteng Mewan Sarai Karpuli.
Mewan Sarai Karpuli. Piju khi man ka step ne kumno.
Sit keep malang step.
Pi kai man ka step.
Sit crack code in.
Sit crack code.
Exam te wanyak kan pasni.
Is this your morning routine?
Yeah, it's always.
At what time do you usually get up in the morning?
5:40.
5:30.
5:40.
5:40. Oh, great. Do you have a purpose for getting up early? Do you have any goals
Oh yeah, for fitness. For running.
for fitness?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for having you this morning. Have a nice day.